My whole cooking style is simple food done well. And then you make something, you have a set of ingredients that are raw, and you make something from scratch. So I love that creative process. And then it turns into a delicious dish. And you know, with home-cooked food, you know that the oil is kind of clean. You know how much salt you're putting in. That's really important. I think it's important to have a good mix, you know, because it will bring out different flavors, the ingredients. So I have something that's fried, I have something that's steamed, I have something that's boiled. The salmon teriyaki is how I got Sophia to start eating fish. Also the spinach. I mean, you know, most kids are like, ooh, spinach. This is a salad. It's a cold dish. It's light, healthy. Again, the miso soup is also quite nutrient-rich, and I use one that's MSG-free. They do say you are what you eat. You know, when I became a mother, I had food diaries and I recorded everything to make sure that, you know, my kids were getting all the right nutrients. It's worked out quite well because they're conditioned to eat well, and mealtime is so important. I really believe that it's the most important part of my day.